If you want to learn how to do your makeup like the pros, YouTube's got you covered with hundreds of tutorials to choose from. But following along can be tricky and messy. Google Home Hub wants to help. Hey Google, show me a Sephora contouring video.
Okay, showing Sephora contouring videos.
The big draw being that you can pause, replay, or skip ahead without putting your phone or laptop at risk.
Now I'm gonna highlight the base of the chin. You wanna highlight either side of the nose?
Sephora's videos are easy to follow, and the Google Voice Assistant doesn't skip a beat. But is it worth your time? While the partnership puts Sephora's content front and center, you can choose to call up any tutorial. That's where the Home Hub really shines, and Google's hoping you'll notice. According to the tech giant, there were over 81 million how-to-related searches on YouTube in 2018. That's a lot of traffic. For now, this feels like a marketing strategy more than anything else. A way to say, hey, here's yet another thing you can do with the Google Home Hub that you can't do with the Amazon Echo Show. You can watch YouTube videos on the Echo Show, but without a built-in player, it's kind of a pain. And most important, you won't get the voice control. With this, Google's making a play for a prime spot on your vanity. And so far, at least when it comes to contouring, it does come in handy. But because it takes Google Assistant a couple of seconds to do what you ask, you'll end up having to rewind a lot. Honestly though, you're probably doing a lot of that anyway. As for Sephora's part in this, while the content is great, I was a bit disappointed with their skincare assistant. Hey Google, let me talk to Sephora.
Sure, getting Sephora.
She's got some tips to share, different ones every day. If you give her your zip code, she can find the closest store. She can even recommend products based on your skin type. But when I ask for more, add the first item to my shopping list. She gets a little confused.
Sorry, I don't understand you. I'm learning how to do more.
If you're considering getting a smart device for your home and you follow a lot of tutorials, this is a fun feature you won't get with Amazon's personal assistant.